Hello viewers, here we will be now understanding how an invoice gets approved once the user raises an invoice and how the HOD needs to approve that invoice. So we will come to the same transaction regarding the deal number 397. I need to go to contracted into that operations approval. Here in the approved deal section I will be seeing deal number 397. I'll just click on the deal and here I will be able to see that these are the invoices which are pending for HOD approval. I just need to click on the edit button. Here I have multiple status over here. In case the invoice has to be approved, the HOD has to click on HOD approved or HOD rejected in case it needs to be rejected. Here I can click on HOD approved and same. Once the particular transaction is getting approved or rejected, user, HOD as well as the finance team gets an intimation in their email inbox regarding the status of the particular deal. Here now you will be able to see that this invoice has been approved by the HOD and the status of the invoice has changed to HOD approved. Now if we log in from the finance department page, I'll be logging in into say Pooja P. So this particular invoice will now be for approval for the finance department. Need to go to finance. Here I can see deal number 397 which is now approved by HOD and pending for finance. I just click on edit. In case I have any remarks, I can write any remarks to the same, or the same process I need to click to the deal number and I just need to click edit button where it will now be approved by the finance team. Once the finance team approves this deal, then only the finance team also has an option to edit the date of the invoice, and once they save, the invoice will get generated. Now this particular invoice will be viewable by the finance user as well as the HOD. You can just refresh the page. You can view the invoice which was previously not there. So I can click on print button and my invoice is ready. So the invoice is now taken form of a proper invoice with all the taxation into it, and an invoice number is also generated. So users, now we have understood how to create a particular invoice. In case I log in right away from the user login, there also I will be able to see the same invoice. So I can just traverse through the home page. I can go within the deal. Say my deal was 397, and here in my invoice section I am able to see the invoice, where once I click on invoice I will be able to view the same invoice which has been approved by the HOD and the finance team. We also have an option where we can edit the invoice, but that option is only with the user. In case the user feels that after the invoice is generated they need to cancel it, so there is an option where they can raise a requisition to the HOD for again cancellation, and this has to be in the same process that the HOD needs to approve and finance needs to approve. Then the invoice will be cancelled in the system. Similarly, during any particular deal, the user needs to raise a debit note to the client or the talent. You have an option to raise a debit note, which we will be seeing in our next session. Thank you viewers. Thank you for joining us.